Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open Contacts application, tap Skip, then you should switch to Fix and Manage section. Select Manage SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to export, transfer, and then just tap Import, and after that they will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.